accommodate 600 people of all various medical natures. In my particular circumstances, I came here originally to have a knee operation, but it was pointed out to me that I had other complications that were interfering with my having a knee operation, and as such I should have that seen to. In this particular case, it was a spinal problem. An operation was done on my spine, and I returned to Zimbabwe, and had to wait for a period of 6 months before I could come back here to Mumbai. The operation so far has been, the operation and the aftercare has been excellent. I'm getting around on a Zimmer frame every day, but it's also very, very important that of operations of this nature, that one carries out the exercises that are given to one. I'm only just in the beginning stage, and I've got a long, long, long way to go before I will be fully fit and raring to go. Without any doubt, there are many, many such facilities in India, but I have spoken and I know people who have gone to other places, and I can only say I highly recommend Fortis, and suggest and recommend to you that you get hold of the following people for any of your various medical ailments.
Does it get well in India?
Okay? You guys. Right, the names of the two gentlemen I'm going to give to you have numerous clients from all over the world who they have accommodated and facilitated here in Mumbai. They have visited Kenya, Tanzania, Zimbabwe, and have brought patients needing these urgent applications to Fortis, and their work has been carried out. I can say to you without any doubt that if you want a complete trip, all you are met at the airport, chauffeured to the hospital, accommodated,
Booked in hotels.
Accommodation seen to, and then the laborious, and it is very laborious, of coming to the hospital and meeting all the various doctors that one has to see. I can assure you that if you didn't have people of this nature, this experience available, it would be very, very difficult. I highly recommend both of them, and they no doubt will contact you if you contact them on the following addresses.